For the first test of the Tucktec foldable kayak, we are out on a lake at Rock Cut State Park in northern Illinois. This is a lake I know very well, so I thought I would take it out to tool around. It's doing a great job. There's quite a heavy amount of wind, and it's a cooler day, but I think that she is performing wonderfully. I've had no complaints thus far, except for the fact that I'm starting to get cold. I did not dress the part, so I think it's time to bring her in. But the next test I would like to do maybe one more time at another lake, and then I think I'm going to take it down a river. I want to see how she does on a calm river, no rapids or anything like that, but just see how well she performs there.